we're going to open a 151 booster bundle. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of 151. So let's get going here. Growlithe, Geodude, Jigglypuff, Staryu, Manchoke, Hitmonchan, the Polygon, the Graveler, and a Charizard EX! Woo! Man, I never have first pack magic. Check that out. Well, I got a Zard. Ooh, hollow energy. Some fighting energy there. Lickitung. Seaking. Butterfree. Lapras. Oh, Caterpie, look at him. Full art. Nice. And Chansey. Oops. Sorry about that. Grass. Charmander. Spearow. Bellsprout. Magikarp. Seaking. Butterfree. Lapras. I know I'm saying that wrong. Charmander. Growlithe. And Kabutops. Very cool. Very cool. Fire! Pidgey, Metapod, Ponyta, Poliwag, a cycling road. Not even cycling, just the road. Charmeleon, the Golduck, Kadabra, and Electrode. 2 packs left. Psych! Oddish. Monkey. Meowth. Execute. The cycling road again. Sither. Charmeleon. Coughing. Tangela. And Beedrill. Last pack magic. Water. Pikachu. Farfetch'd. Shelter. Helix Fossil. Parasect. Clayster. Charisma. Clayster Reverse. Metapod. And thank you for watching, Mr. Mime.